Are you having a pigmentation in and around your neck area or your underarm area? Hi, I'm Dr. Shikha Garg. If you are having a pigmentation, velvety, thick skin in and around your neck area or your underarm area, you might be suffering from acanthosis nigricans. It is not a disease, just a pigmentation problem related to hormone imbalance. When there is a imbalance of hormones like thyroid, like insulin, which is high insulin level leading to insulin resistant, or imbalance in the estrogen, progesterone, DHEA, testosterone levels, these all hormone imbalance, any of it can lead to lot of problems, symptoms related to that particular hormones, in regard to thyroid problems, weight gain, menstrual irregularities, cold intolerance, all these symptoms. With the diabetes, polydipsia, polyphagia, all these symptoms, or with the estrogen, progesterone, DHEA, precocious puberty, which is early puberty, or because of this there could be infertility or excess menstruation, irregularities, or abnormal problems. So all these symptoms related to hormones can also lead to skin problems, which is velvety dark skin. It's a thick pigmented skin in and around your neck area or your folds, underarm folds. So if you have any of this and you do not know you have hormone imbalance, do not try to scrub it off. Use local exfoliation to clean that skin. It is not dirt, it is not pigmentation because of any other reason. If you have any of the symptoms, go see your doctor, get a blood test from a very good lab, all these hormones which I just listed. So if there is an abnormality in the hormones, it will lead to all these symptoms. Treating this superficially will never help. So you have to check your hormones. Whatever imbalance you have, get treated for that. This will automatically will go away, will fade away. So if you have any symptoms, do not just try and do home treatment. You need a doctor, because other symptoms also need to be cured. And the most common cause of these imbalance is obesity. So it's a kind of thing. Obesity will lead to hormone disbalance, and hormone disbalance will further lead to obesity. So obesity has to be tackled in a healthy way. Don't go for keto diets, that also changes your hormones and imbalance is there. Go in for a healthy way with the exercise, with good food, good diet to tackle your obesity. For any questions related to hormones, related to canthosis, related to pigmentation, or related to tests, feel free to text me, comment on this, or call me on the given numbers. Thank you.